Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Friday. This is episode 8. On today's video, I'll be making some salt and pepper fries or some pepper fries. And to go along with it, I'll be making some oven baked chicken tenders. Let's go through our ingredients. So I've got my chicken fillets. I've got some panko breadcrumbs, 1 egg, some parsley, and I've got a seasoning blend. I added some smoked paprika today. I will list the seasonings in the description box below. For the fries, I've got 2 white potatoes, some Chinese seasoning, onion, red bell pepper, 2 scallions or green onions, 1 red chili, and 2 garlic cloves. First, we're just going to beat 1 egg. So I've got 1 large egg. I'm going to add my seasoning blend. I'm going to put the chicken in here and let it sit for 5 minutes, and then I will bread them in some panko breadcrumbs and bake. Just put that to one side. Just gonna do the fries. So I've got some cold water and I added some salt. I'll be using a mandolin today. I've washed the potatoes and I've given the mat a rinse. Can cut these by hand. That's how our French fries are looking. Our fries are cut. Just gonna let them sit here in salt water until it's time to fry them. Just gonna get ready to do the breading for our chicken tenders. So I've got some panko breadcrumbs. You can use seasoned breadcrumbs or plain. I'm using 1 cup. That's 236 milliliters. Gonna sprinkle some of our seasoning and I'll leave the rest for our fries. And then I'll say about a half a teaspoon of parsley. Just going to add our chicken. Gonna press it down to make sure the panko breadcrumbs stick. Then we'll turn them over. If you are living in the UK, these are the Morrison brand panko breadcrumbs. Got a baking sheet here lined with some greaseproof paper or parchment paper. Just gonna spray these with some extra virgin olive oil. I've already preheated my oven to 200 degrees Celsius or gas mark 6. I'm going to put these in, set the timer for 10 minutes. Before we cut up the seasonings for the pepper fries, let's do a quick honey mustard dipping sauce. Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon. Got some yellow mustard. I'll put all the measurements in the description box. I'm putting 2 tablespoons of honey. I've got 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise or 1/8 of a cup or 30 milliliters. Just gonna put 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Then we put Himalayan pink salt and about 4 turns of freshly ground black pepper. Just going to mix this. That's our honey mustard sauce done. Just gonna set this in the fridge and then cut up the onion and peppers for the fries, and then we'll get started on the fries. That's our honey mustard dipping sauce. So I will see you back in the next clip. Let's cut up our fresh seasoning. Going to slice up some white onions, half of a medium white onion, 1 red chili, taking the rib and the seeds out. We just need to dry off our fries now. Just gonna put these on some paper towel to dry and then put the oil on to heat up. So we're just gonna put another paper towel on top to let those dry off. I just want to show you guys how my chicken tenders are looking. I'm just going to turn these over. Going to cook them for about 15 minutes more. Once they're done, I will show you guys the end results, but we are going now to fry the chips up. Just putting on our wok. That's our fresh cut, fresh fried French fries. We're just heating up our wok. I'm using some of the oil from the fries, or maybe about 3 tablespoons. I'm just throwing in our seasoning now. So we're just going to put in our salt. You can add as much or as little you wish. I'm going to add in about 1 teaspoon of Chinese seasoning. Just a little bit of seasoning blend that was left over from the chicken tenders. Put our fries in. Turn the stove off. Our pepper fries are done. This is our oven baked chicken tenders and then our pepper fries. Let's just check our chicken. It's nice and tender on the inside. Our honey mustard dipping sauce. Okay, so let's do a close-up. So we got our crispy chicken tenders with panko breadcrumbs. Then I've got salt and pepper fries or pepper fries, some garlic sauce, homemade, and some homemade honey mustard. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified when I post new videos. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.